Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our online class. How are you all? Today is 2nd April 2021, Friday. Class student will start the profile or the bio sketch. What is the meaning of profile? Be sure that important point, significant information about the person is in the introduction. So what all we write? We write the main points. It includes when and where this person was born. In the introduction, reader who doesn't know who is this person, we have to write information of them. What are the names? Let's know about the personalities in the world. Nelson Mandela, he was from which country? South Africa. Pope Francis from Argentina. Elon Musk was from South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi from India. Bill Gates from United States, and Barack Obama from United States. Profile pictures should include the major elements of hard news stories, but should also provide readers with details which help us to capture the essence of person you are profiling. Contextual information should clearly show readers why the profile subject you have chosen is relevant and interesting. You have to write interesting facts about the person. A profile essay is a type of informative essay describing a person, place, or event. It should be factual, real, descriptive, but enjoyable to read. Now one of the profile we'll see, which is of Sachin Tendulkar. Everyone knows, isn't it? Who is Sachin Tendulkar? He's a famous cricketer. He was. Now he got retired. What was his date of birth? How he played? What was his nickname? See, he was born on April 24, 1973 in Mumbai. His parents Rajni Tendulkar and Ramesh Tendulkar. His spouse means his wife Anjali Tendulkar. He was married in 1995. He has two children, Sara Tendulkar and Arjun Tendulkar. His full name is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. His height is 5'5". Now what happened? What he is famous for? He is fondly remembered as Little Master or Master Blaster by his fans. Sachin Tendulkar is not only remembered for his cricketing talents but also for his epitome of excellence, humility and humbleness. Sachin Tendulkar started to play cricket at the age of 11 and had his first debut at the age of 16 in the year 1988. Against Pakistan, he played for the first time. 10 lines we can write in about him. He was born on 24th April. His full name is this. Sachin's fans call him God of Cricket. Tendulkar started playing international matches at the age of 16. Sachin was not been out 41 times in ODIs. He played the most ODI matches. The last match was played against West Indies on 14 November 2013. Sachin has 18,426 runs in 463 matches in divisional match. He has 15,921 runs in 200 matches in tests. Sachin has 51 centuries in divisional match and 49 in test. We'll see profile about Abdul Kalam. He is also very famous English reader. His full name is Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15 October 1931 in Rameswaram, India. He died in July 27, 2015 in Shillong. This is an Indian scientist politician who played a leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons programs. He was President of India from 2002 to 2007. On 25th March 2021, he retired. Got it. Born in this place, died in 83 years. He was at the time of his death in 2015. His famous proverb was, "Dream is not what you see in sleep. It is a thing which doesn't let you sleep." His nationality was Indian. He studied in St. Joseph's College in Tiruchirappalli, Madras Institute of Technology. By profession, he was professor, author, scientist, president, aerospace engineer. His religion was Islam. His website is abdulkalam.com. The complete name of Sir APJ Abdul Kalam is Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. He was very hardworking student since his childhood. He had done outstanding work on the ballistic missile technology and launch. He played a pivotal role in Pokhran 2, India's nuclear test at Pokhran in 1998. He also played a key role in the development of Agni missile system for Indian defense. He penned down his autobiography named Wings of Fire in 1999. He became the President of India by the unanimous support of ruling as well as the opposition party. He was prestigious Bharat Ratna Award in the year 1997. APJ Abdul Kalam was famous as a people. Few points. Dr. Kalam ji was known as Missile Man of India. He became the former President of India. He completed his schooling from Schwartz Highest School Secondary in district Ramantapuram. He became an important part of Indian Space Research Organization ISRO in 1963. Dr. Kalam was honored by Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Bharat Ratna for their work. He died on 27 July 2015. His life history and will always be an emerging story for all aspiring profiles we have seen of Sachin Tendulkar and APJ Abdul Kalam. The next is of Mahatma Gandhi. Any name can come. Famous personality bio profile you have to write in your exam for 8 marks or 10 marks. You should be able to write meaningful important points of it, of that personality. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi, MK Gandhi, the most famous Indian person is Mahatma Gandhi. He brought freedom to us, isn't it? He was born in India on date 2nd October 1986. At the age of 6, Gandhi went to school in Porabandar and had difficulty learning to multiply. At the age of 13, he was married to Kasturbai, a girl of same age. Gandhi was 16 when his father died. After that, he went to England and studied law. He fought for civil rights in India. He believed in non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi died on January 1948. During his 20 years in South Africa, what did he do? He was sent to prison many times, influenced primarily by Hinduism but also by elements of Jainism and Christianity. Developed the Satyagraha, devotion to truth. Gandhiji returned to India shortly afterwards. In 1919, British plans to intern people suspected of sedition. The Rowlatt Act promoted Gandhi to announce a new Satyagraha which attracted millions of followers. A demonstration against the act resulted in Amritsar massacre in British troops. Then send me the homework. Whose biography you are going to write? 3 profiles you have to write about MS Dhoni. Everyone is familiar with him, isn't it? Stephen Hawking and PV Sindhu. By evening 7 o'clock, send me the homeworks today. Meaningful, proper, good sentences you can find out from Google and send it. Okay? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class.